Omicron is rocking the nations of the world. Corona positive for Australian Prime Minister. New features of Omicron. Current cut to Uppal Stadium. 2 children killed in road accident. Cow giving birth to 3 girls in a single litter. Chennupati as president of the Australian Academy of Sciences. Kitty party Shilpa Chaudhary spotted. Court rejects bail petition. The number of Jalleru deaths reached 10. Severe illness to former governor. Omicron is rocking the nations of the world. The Omicron variant is making waves around the world. The World Health Organization has expressed concern over the expansion of the Omicron variant to several countries and the increasing number of cases. Corona positive for Australian Prime Minister. Australian Prime Minister Scott Morrison has been diagnosed with the coronavirus. Test conducted on Tuesday revealed that he had a corona infection. New features of Omicron. Patients experience mild to severe symptoms. They had symptoms such as high fever, persistent cough, shortness of breath, chest pain, and lack of oxygen in the blood. Now, the new Omicron variant of the corona has become a new problem before the world. Current cut to Uppal Stadium. Electricity officials have shocked the Hyderabad Cricket Association over the backlog of electricity bills. The stadium was plunged into darkness due to non-payment of current bills on over rupees 3 crore. ATE Balakrishna on Tuesday said that the power supply at Uppal Stadium had been cut off. Two children killed in road accident. The road accident took place in Nalgonda district of Telangana. 2 children were killed in an accident at the FCI warehouse in Gollagoda suburb of Nalgonda town. Cow giving birth to 3 girls in a single litter. In Visakhapatnam district, a cow gave birth to 3 girls in a single calving. Rarely are 3 girls born in a single litter, and everyone in the area queues up to see them. Chennupati as president of the Australian Academy of Sciences. A person of Indian descent is accorded a rare honor in Australia. Jagdish, a Telugu native, has been appointed president of the Australian Academy of Sciences. He is the first Indian to achieve this feat. Kitty party Shilpa Chaudhary spotted. Court rejects bail petition. Shilpa Chaudhary's bail plea has been postponed. Shilpa Chaudhary's bail attempt was in vain. Upparpalli court rejects bail petition. The number of Jalleru deaths reached 10. The tragedy took place at Jalleru in Jangareddy-Gudem June of West Godavari district. 10 people were killed when an RTC bus collided head-on with a bridge railing. Another 9 people were seriously injured. Severe illness to former governor. Former Telangana Governor ESL Narasimhan, who is ill, is being treated in the ICU at Kaveri Hospital. It is learned that his family members have visited CM KCR.